Tracking GST ledger balances over time is critical for compliance and decision making. While responding to notices or verifying tax positions, users often need to check payments, liabilities, ITC utilization, and reversals across multiple periods. Manually checking this on the portal month by month is time-consuming and increases the risk of missing important transactions. KDK software simplifies this by providing complete GST ledger visibility with easy filtering and download options. To begin, select the GST IN to open detailed records. Next, go to the Ledger Balance section. Here, you can view all ledger transactions in one place. Click on the eye icon to view detailed ledger information. You can use the calendar option to select a specific date range. Then, click on Apply to filter the data. Once reviewed, you can download the ledger in Excel format. In the Excel, you can view detailed records including cash ledger, credit ledger, non-return liability ledger, reversal and reclaimed ledger, PMT9, RCM, and negative liability statement. This helps users track ITC utilization, verify liabilities, and respond to notices with complete data visibility, ensuring better compliance control, faster responses, and improved financial planning.